Well, guys, I figured out what the problem was. Looks like my motherboard, whatever you want to call it, the power, which is right here, the thing where you plug in the power cord, right here. Well, it seems to be the place where that is right there. On the inside, if you plug it in, it needs to be soldered back. So I'm gonna try to get some solder and get that back in place. If not, then I won't be using this TV at all. There it is, took apart. And yeah, if you guys have any comments to tell me what to do, I'd really help out. Let's come under my door, huh, Tiger? Okay. Anyways. Yeah. Took this apart. Took me a long time to get that apart. It's where the motherboard was, just like so. No, it's backwards. Like that. So. Yeah. I am gonna try to get this working. Like I said, leave a comment below if you have any ideas you want me to try or whatever, and leave a like and sub if you would.